Good morning, guys. What's up? Today is day 1 to trip to Vancouver Island. Alright, let's go, guys.
Enough then just
Boss, boss.
Boss.
Okay, let's pray. Guidance that you've given us a sweet trouble, Father.
Alright. Hi.
where's the walkie-talkies?
Oh, you can
Boss, boss. Morning. Where are you? Huh? So yan guys, dito na tayo sa Horseshoe Bay. Hintayin natin yung ferry. So next na trip tayo 7:30 ng umaga. So punta muna tayo mag-coffee. Yan, kape muna tayo habang hinihintay natin yung oras natin para makatawid papuntang Nanaimo. Right. So yan, dito na kami sa loob ng ferry. Yun, nakit mo tayo para makapag-breakfast sa taas.
Hindi na ko yung
Still naman tayo may credit.
I still have the video.
Can you give me something to eat?
It's moving now, right?
You start.
Meron pang gumawa sa
Can you spot me see a whale?
Mama, you start.
Huh? You reading? Super. There you go. See you at Desolation Island in a few hours. Alright. BC Ferries. Yan, first time ni mapuntang island. So Nanaimo and then isang boat pa papuntang Desolation Island. First time. Alright.
First time to ride ferry boat.
So dito na tayo, next ferry papuntang Desolation Island. Dito tayo ngayon sa Earls Cove Ferry Station. You know?
No,
Boss.
Boss.
Hey, Mera, stop recording.
You already know that this is gonna be mine after.
Hey, Waldo.
Mira, speak Spanish.
Oh.
Human drone!
Boss! Yan, second ferry papuntang Desolation Island. Right. So yan, second ferry papuntang Desolation Island. Mas maliit lang ito kaysa doon sa BC Ferries. So yan, ilang minutes na lang dito na tayo sa Desolation Island. Alright, sa wakas 5 to 6 hours from Vancouver to Desolation Island. Sulit guys, first time. Alright, dito na Desolation Island. 5 to 6 hours.
Sa mo signal daw eh.
Saan kayo na pasok? Mali naman yung...
Okay, baba na yung gamit. Papunta sa cabin. So, let's go!
Let's go get more stuff.
Come on, Sebi.
Wow! It's a nice cabin. Nice view. So ito yung dalawang cabin yung nirintahan namin. Kasi marami kami. Kasi yan, pag nasa baba ka, ganito yung cabin. Para siyang tree house. So bababa tayo. Check natin dun sa may baba. So fishing area saka crabbing area din yan. Ito guys yung view. Nakakamiss talaga. Sulit yung pagpunta mo dito sa Desolation Island guys. Take a look. Yan, pag gusto mong kumain dito, may gazebo din sila. Kita mo talaga yung view. Yung dagat. Tapos ito pang maganda, oh, may sauna. Kung gusto mong mag-sauna dito. So, makawa tayo ng oyster. Ito tayong suka. Alright. So, ito yung namburan na nakaka-attract dito pag napunta ka dito sa Vancouver Island. See guys, tignan, ito yung tinatawag na bed of oyster guys. Yan. Pupulutin mo na lang yung oyster. Sobrang dami guys. So lahat yan, puro oyster lahat yan. Kasi low tide, makikita mo na sila lahat. Grabe. Grabe yung oyster guys, oh. Ang lalaki. Sipin mo ilang piraso lang na oyster. Grabe ang lalaki. Magtatay ka dito sa oyster dito. Yan si partner, daw na. Oyster unlimited. Hindi, pero may limit pag bawat license, 12 pieces ata ang pwede mong kunin.
Ako wala akong license.
Sabi na, lahat kayo may license. Yan. 12 pieces para ibig namin dun sa taas. Pero titignan natin, fresh na oyster.
Wow, sarap. Oh.
Yeah, boy.
Oh. So ito yung loob ng cabin. Bed. Ito baba. Mas makikita mo na yung view doon.
Mama! I need silverfish.
Oh!
And more rat eat.
Yun no? Okay, let's do this. Crab. Nice fishing. Fishing and crabbing. Alright.
Nasa wala na kita na.
Ayan, konting pasyal. Tigman tong sikat na ice cream dito sa Desolation.
Mom, you want the strawberry sorbet?
Ice cream here.
Yarn.
Anong flavor to?
Fudgicle. Chocolate fudge.
Ah.
Rate your ice cream.
No, no.
A 9 out of 10.
So that's a walnut.
Your ice cream. What do you rate it?
10 out of 10?
Okay. Rate your ice cream. 10. 9? Okay.
Kelowna.
Oh, I tried looking for it. Hiya! I'll take picture. Go inside that little house.
Yan, kuha tayo ng vitamin para mamaya. Vitamin saka oyster na pulutan. Alright. Okay, nakuha tayo ng whiskey. And then beer. Vodka soda. Solve na to. Right, may malalasing na naman mamaya.